In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Nordvpn account. This process is straightforward if you follow the steps closely, whether you're doing it directly through the Nord account dashboard or by filling out the deletion form. Let's get started. First, you need to access your Nord account dashboard. To do this, visit the Nord account login page. Once you're logged in, look for your email address, usually displayed at the top or side of the page, and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. Now that you're in the account settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the Account Deletion section. This is where you can initiate the deletion process. Click on the Delete Account button. After doing so, you'll be prompted to verify your deletion request. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Make sure to check your inbox or spam folder if you don't see it right away. Enter this verification code to confirm your request. Once you've successfully verified, Nordvpn will guide you through the final steps to complete the account deletion process. It's important to note that deleting your account will also remove any data associated with other Nord security services, such as NordLocker or NordPass, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding. Alternatively, there's another way to delete your account. By filling out Nordvpn's account deletion request form, start by providing the email address you currently use for your Nordvpn account. Next, enter the amount you paid the last time you made a payment to Nordvpn. This helps verify your account. In the method section, select the way you made your last payment, whether it was through a credit card, PayPal, or another method, and be sure to include any other required information. Then choose the exact date of your last payment. This date can typically be found on your bank statement or email receipt. If you have a NordLocker or NordPass account, make sure to indicate that here. The form will ask you to specify your reason for deleting the account. Be honest, as this feedback can help improve their services. You also have the option to add any additional comments or requests for the support team. Finally, if you have a picture of your last payment, you can attach it to speed up the process, though this step is optional. Once you've filled everything out, click the Submit button to complete the process. That's it, you've now successfully learned how to delete your Nordvpn account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more help with your online needs.